When you're doing a repair in a high heat area, you want to make sure that you have the right product for the job. Patching up a leak with the wrong product could lead to a total breakdown, leaving you stranded on the side of the road. That's where JB Weld's high heat lineup comes in. This syringe is perfect for heat-resistant repairs. Think patching up small leaks, like seam leaks on a radiator or hairline cracks on intake manifolds. It forms a bond that is chemical and fuel resistant. This high heat putty stick is great for filling holes and gaps. The putty forms a strong bond and it can handle the underhood heat. Now, we do not want to forget about the original JB Weld when it comes to high heat applications, because this too will withstand temperatures of up to 550 degrees. So it's perfect for your aluminum engine covers, your valve covers, timing cover, and your oil pan. This comes in mixable twin tubes, making it great for creating a smooth, spreadable layer. But for the truly extreme situations where the heat reaches up to a scorching 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, we've got the JB Weld Extreme Heat Paste. This heavy-duty paste is ideal for exhaust manifolds, tailpipes, and mufflers that take a beating from intense heat. Basically, when it comes to a repair in a high-heat area, JB Weld has got you covered.
This tip is brought to you by JB Weld, the world's strongest bond.